Good day everyone. I am Junami Obidencio from Section Kilo. So for today's video, I will discuss to you the concept, the nature, and the scope of criminology. Before we will proceed to those lessons, let's have first define criminology. So what is criminology? Criminology is the study of crime and criminals. It is the entire body of knowledge regarding the crimes, criminals, and the efforts of society to prevent and repress them. So it is a scientific study of the cause of crime and relation to man and society, who set and define rules and regulation for himself and others to govern. So, the word criminology itself tells us that it is essentially to study of the crime. It is important to study the crime. And criminology derived from the Latin term of crimen, which means accusation, and the transliterated Greek of logia, which denote or which means the study of or the study. So when we put it together, crimen plus logia, then we have the term of criminology. So in 1885, Italian law professor Raffaele Garofalo, he coined the term criminology in Italian term of criminologia. So si Raffaele Garofalo, ang iyang gihimo nga term sa criminology is Italian term, which is criminologia. Then sa French anthropologist si Paul Tupinard, he used the first time the French term, which is criminology, around the same time. So ang kang Paul Tupinard is ang criminology niya is dili para sa English. 'Di ba sa English is nag-end siya sa ang criminology sa G and Y, but kang Paul Tupinard, it ends with GIE, which is the French term of criminology. Then matawag nato ang isa ka individual if matawag nato ang isa ka individual nga matawag na to ang isa ka individual if nakagraduate siya sa degree of criminology, if nakapasar siya sa examination of criminology or CLA or criminologist licensure examination. And that is the concept of criminology. So next is the nature of criminology. There are four nature of criminology. First is applied science, social science, dynamic, and nationalistic. So let's have first the applied science. Criminology is an applied science because criminology as a body of knowledge has already established universally accepted principle and concept, and these are used by other field of study. Second one is the social science. Criminology is a social science because it studies crimes as a social phenomenon. Crime is a social problem which has a big impact to our society. Next is the dynamic. Criminology is the dynamic because the concept of criminology has their applications adapt to the changing of time. Next, the last is nationalistic. Criminology is nationalistic because the study of criminology takes into consideration to the history, culture, and the social norms and the laws of the country. Each country has its own set of laws and crimes that defined by the laws of the country. So there is a question if criminology as a science. So according to George Welker, criminology cannot become a science because it has not yet acquired universal validity. But according to Edwin H. Sutherland, The Dean of Modern Criminology hoped that it will become a science in the future, since the cause of crime are almost the same, which may be biological, environmental, or combination of the two. So today, we can declare na ang criminology is a science na jud siya. That is why gani nga ang gobyerno nagkuhan sila og kurso nga criminology or BS Criminology, Bachelor of Science and Criminology. So let's proceed to the scope or the branches of criminology. So there are 7 branches of criminology. First is criminal demography, criminal epidemiology, criminal ecology, criminal psychology, criminal psychiatry, criminal physical anthropology, and victimology. So let's have first the criminal demography. Criminal demography is the study of relationship between criminality and population. From the word demography, it is the study of human population. So how it related to the criminality? So when we say population, na diha ang human age, gender, and race of individual. Nganong ang criminologists is nag-study sila sa demography. Kay if demography lang, gistudihan na diri og unsa ang naa sa population. So pag mag-study na sa criminality, meaning to say unsay labot sa age sa pag-commit og crime, unsay labot sa gender sa pag-commit og crime. For example, sa gender, mas prone mag-commit og crime ang mga lalaki. Majority sa naa sa prisuhan is sa mga lalaki. It's because ang mga lalaki is prone sila sa pag-commit og crime. Dali ra jud sila matintal and dili nila makontrol ang ilahang emotion. Second is criminal epidemiology. It is the study of the relationship between environmental and criminality. The third is criminal ecology. It is the study of criminality in relation to spatial distribution in a community. The fourth is criminal psychology. It is the study of human behavior in relation to criminality. Fifth is the criminal psychiatry. It is the study of human mind in relation to criminality. Next is the criminal physical anthropology. It is the study of criminality in relation to physical contribution of men. Then last one is the victimology. It is the study of the role of the victim in the commission of the crime. So that's all for today's discussion. I hope you have learned the lesson that I've discussed to you. So thank you for watching.